everyone, it's Elena from Powertrain Products. Today we're going to talk about intake manifolds. These intake manifolds here are for your Gen 3 Hemi applications. As most of you probably know, it's fairly common for Dodge .7 engines to fail due to valve seat debris ingestion. The way the manifolds are designed also makes them very hard to properly clean. For those reasons, we advocated pretty strongly to have these manifolds be available to the public. We recommend that you purchase them with your Dodge Gen 3 Hemi applications. Those Gen 3 Hemi engines will also come with a screen gasket as an added layer of protection. The screens on these intake manifold gaskets help prevent ingestion of debris from the old engine. If you want to speak with your rep and ask if these intake manifolds are available for your specific application, you can call us at 888-842-0023 or follow us online to powertrainproducts.net.